I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add profiles to Icue. Icue is Corsair's powerful software that lets you personalize your compatible devices. Profiles are essentially collections of settings, allowing you to save specific configurations for lighting, key assignments, and performance. This means you can have unique setups for different games or productivity tasks, switching between them seamlessly. It's a fantastic way to optimize your experience with your Corsair gear. To begin creating a new profile, first open your Icue software. On the left-hand side, you will see a section labeled Profiles. Simply click the small plus icon located right next to it. A new profile will appear and you will be prompted to give it a name. Choose something descriptive, like Gaming Profile or Work Profile. You can also link this profile to a particular application, so it activates automatically. Once your new profile is created, it is time to customize it. Select the Corsair device you wish to configure from the main Icue window. Here, you can dive into adjusting various settings, such as vibrant lighting effects, precise performance parameters, and custom key assignments. Every change you make is saved automatically, so feel free to experiment. You can spend a few minutes or even an hour perfecting your setup. Icue also offers the convenient ability to import and export profiles. To do this, simply right-click on any profile in your list to bring up its context menu. From there, you can select Import to load a profile that someone else has shared, or one you previously backed up. Conversely, choose Export to save your meticulously crafted profile to a file, allowing you to share it or keep a secure copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.